We did it, guys! I hosted my very first night of Passover Seder. My husband doesn't get it. It's kind of a big deal. I've never had the nerve to host first night, and my family has always had a really big first night Seder that just by a fluke got bumped to second night this year. So we just hosted Seder, and I thought it would be a great chance to recap what went well for you because it was really fun. So first of all, we celebrated with people we really liked. We did not have family because my family had other plans, so we had friends over who had the same age children more or less as us. So that automatically set us up for success where we had similar expectations, similar bedtimes, similar kind of routines. So that was great. The second thing that I thought was really great about tonight is that I did the indoor-outdoor Seder, which I realize not everyone can pull off depending on your climate, but here in Los Angeles or in California, you know, outdoors is fair game. So we set up Egypt in the front yard and we welcomed our guests to Egypt where there's a lot of work to be done, and the kids got right to work the moment they came in the gate. So that was really like a fun thing that I was able to do with very limited supplies. Like I didn't get anything special, just put the blocks out, put the trowels out, and then we did the Passover storytelling again outside in Egypt and then came back inside for the meal. The third thing that was really great about tonight was that basically every single thing that we ate tonight, except for dessert, I made yesterday or the day before. Chicken marbella, I baked it yesterday. It had been in the freezer before that, and I warmed it again in the oven tonight, and I think it was honestly even better than the fresh chicken marbella we had a couple weeks ago. Everything for the Seder plate was made in advance. We just quickly assembled it. Our guests brought the most beautiful vegetable platter for karpas. It would make you weep. And then we had rice. I pushed a button, the rice was done, sauteed a veggie, and then I did what I said, you guys, and I made a baked Alaska, a kosher for Passover baked Alaska, flour-free, dairy-free. We used orange sherbet on top of that amazing almond orange cake that I've been talking about. And then I put a meringue over that. That went in the freezer before my guests even arrived, and then 6 minutes in the oven and it was done. That was honestly something that I've waited almost 40 years to make, and I finally got to make it tonight. And that might be why I'm just so excited, don't you think? That was definitely the kids' favorite part of the night. The kids got really involved. I'm so proud of them. We used all of their crafts. We used our family Seder plate we made at family camp, go JCC. We used last year's Seder plate from my big girl. We used my matzah plate that I made at a women's event at our temple. We used the pharaoh headdress. Today I had the girls making beards with cotton balls. We did some homemade crafts that were super fun. My neighbors gave us a bunch of papyrus from their backyard, and the kids were bonkers over the papyrus, and the neighbors are going to use the papyrus tomorrow night at their Seder. That's like another set of neighbors. So, you know, it's the gift that keeps on giving. We sent our guests home with leftovers. We have delicious leftovers for tomorrow. The haroset was delicious. The horseradish was super hot. It was a great night. I hope you guys had a really wonderful first night of Passover or a second night of Passover by the time you're watching this. Thank you so much for being here on my channel. I really relish the whole process of sharing these videos with you and your feedback to me. Let me know what you had for Passover dinner and how your holiday is going. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll see the next video that I put out for you soon. Take care.